The most sustainable homes rarely look eco. They feel timeless. When most people hear sustainability, they picture bland, cheap, and boring beige walls, synthetic materials, temporary fixes. The truth? The most sustainable homes are often the most inspiring, so nurturing, and beautiful place you'll ever live in. True sustainability isn't about green stickers or fleeting trends. It's about building homes that endure, aging gracefully, demanding less maintenance, and quietly supporting your well-being for years to come. After partnering with architects on high-end projects, one pattern stands out. The homes that matter the most are built for longevity. They don't fight nature, they dance with it. They use materials that improve with time. These homes do more than shelter the body. They nurture the soul. Sustainability is not a modern invention. Castles still stand after centuries. Ancient Mediterranean homes use thick stone and terracotta for natural comfort. No gadgets required. The wisest designers have always known the best choice is the one you never have to replace. Why does this matter? Because disposable design costs you time, money, peace of mind. I've seen it firsthand with clients from our remodel episode. Delightful kitchens and bathrooms that looked perfect on day one, but within a few years, finishes faded, hardware failed, and frustration set in. We all know the frustration of a kitchen that looks tired after 5 years, or furniture that falls apart before the paint is dry. Imagine instead a bathroom wrapped in soft lime wash walls. The texture feels alive, the color calms you. Science shows this finishes reduce stress and become more lasting as time passes. Yes, lime wash costs more up front, yet it breathes, self-heals, and develops a rich patina instead of peeling or fading. This is real sustainability. This philosophy runs through the entire home. Thick stone walls that stay cool in the summer, warm in the winter, wood ceilings that become richer with age, terracotta floors that regulate temperature naturally, living plants that clean the air, soften the sound, and connect you to the seasons. And let's talk about furniture. If you want real sustainability, flip a chair or open a drawer. If you see dovetail joints and not a single screw, you're looking at a piece built to last. That's furniture meant for your home and maybe your grandchildren's. If it's held together by mystery hardware and hope, let someone else enjoy it at their next yard sale. Sustainability hides in the details: quality insulation, natural shade, and finishes that improve with age. The highest form of sustainability isn't deprivation, it's reverence for nature, for craftsmanship, for your daily peace and future generations. A true sustainable home is one you can hand down, not hand off. Every mark of age becomes part of your family's story. This week's challenge: walk through your home and ask, where am I still settling for short-term solutions? Find one place to make a smarter, more lasting choice: a lime wash wall, real stone, a quality piece of furniture, or a living plant. Pick one upgrade you'll be grateful for, not only for now, rather for the years to come. Sustainability at its best is not a restriction. It's respect for your life, your family, and the world you leave behind. The most impressive homes not only look good today, they still feel good long after trends have disappeared. I'm JohnRoss. I help people move beyond disposable design, crafting homes that save you money, lift your mood, and last for generations. If you're ready for a residence that will serve you beautifully for decades, let's chat. What's one material or detail you're considering to make your home more timeless? Tell me in the comments.